Just because you can find DIY instructions for installing a ceiling fan doesn't mean you should do it yourself. It involves electrical work, a lot of up and down stairs, a lot of up and down ladders, reading instructions, switching breakers off and on, and maybe off and on again, rereading instructions, more ladders, potentially going into the attic, and figuring out why it won't turn on. At its easiest, replacing an old fan with a new is just using a ladder to remove the old fan, disconnect the wires, and connecting to the new fan and putting it back in. You could hire someone for between $50 and $75, or it takes an hour. If you're replacing a light with a fan, you'll need a support that must connect directly to a joist above, and replace your dimmer switch if that's what you had. This is probably 2+ hours of your time and probably some level of frustration, because the instructions were wrong. Or a professional could do it for about $175, give or take. If you're putting in a fan from scratch, you're likely going to have to run wire above. Unless you're an electrician and really good at construction work, you're probably better off hiring a pro for anywhere from $250 to $500. It sounds like a lot, but better than the hazards of a poor installation. If you're not qualified, find someone who is. Remember, only do it yourself if you can do it safely.